Just in time to finish grating off my coconut. Yup. Yep. So I'm going to proceed now to show you how you strain your coconut milk to get it ready for rundown. Right here, see over here, pot up boil up. One hand me have in because one hand in a coconut, and I use my left hand stir up my pot and show you all. Cornmeal dumpling, you in? And don't make the lens them thing there. Trelawney yellow yam, yeah, we nice like that. And we there. Pot over here, already up for banana. Yeah, because we don't cook with banana with food together, because the banana have a little tendency to block up the food. Get in right in. So we have some warm water. This is some warm water, y'all. You use. So, hello please, this is not any long water. So you get your hands right in. Get in on it. Oh Lord. Alright, see piece of my coconut we never grate off. Bam, 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 bam. Messy, it's messy. Remember I tell you it's your kitchen, you know. And if a coconut run down your cook, yeah, it can be all spick and span. Oops. Yeah. You see the strength of my coconut milk, family? Yeah. And this is how, when you have your coconut milk at this strength, and you get it into your rice and peas, when you finish with this and you taste this milk has a sweetness to it. It's not sugar do it, family. Okay? This is how you see it rich, and this is the strength of your coconut milk. So you're incorporating, and we're going to proceed to start juicing. Remember I said to you all, retro, old school. This is from scratch. This is how Debbie from down a yard, no coconut rundown make. Come on. You're going to see the strength of my coconut milk. And we're going to juice it only 2 times. You see that? Okay. No blender cannot do it like this. Them can't implement no machine, family. We do it like this. Don't make them fool you. They cannot implement no machine that does it like how my hands are doing it. And this is old school, y'all. But this is pricey, you know. If you come to Jamaica and you to get this in a restaurant done like this, it's all pricey, you know. So when you come to Jamaica and you want to get it done like this, just get in touch with Debbie down a yard. Look, get right in. You see the richness of my coconut milk, family. Get right in. Let them see the richness of my coconut milk. Right? Okay, so we are going in now. Back with the rest of the trash. And it is gonna be like this, family. It have to be like this, a rundown. So we have some more, but we're not gonna use that amount of water. We're gonna use less water this time, because we still need the strength of our coconut milk. Okay? Water is warm. So I have my kettle over here at all times. So, but this is hot, so I'm gonna pour in some hot one. Yeah? And I'm going to catch a little more pipe water to dilute it, because you see, that is how I got the warm water. I had it from the kettle and I diluted it to get it to this stage. Give them a shot of the coconut milk. That is the type of coconut milk you get, or you used to put in your rice and peas, family. You all to let your rice and peas have that sweet taste, because the coconut has a little sweety taste to it. Okay? So that's a warm, family. So I'm going to show a little more water, y'all. So this is the second round, and we're in. This is the second round of my coconut milk, and you still see the richness, because you need to use a lot, y'all, of this. So we're proceeding. Rundown, salt mackerel rundown, retro, Jamaican style. And Debbie from down a yard, yeah man. Come. Oops. And if it gets too much, I hope you're hearing enough, family, and you don't accept nothing less than this from them. You see? Don't make them dig out nothing out of no tin. Here come show you and scoop out nothing out of no packet and tell you say them a make rundown. No, no, no. You not get them type of milk in a no pack, not in a no tin. Alright. Now we have mess going on. But look here, we can clean up that car kitchen with it. So now you have it like this. And you see the amount of milk that we have there, y'all. So we're going to proceed to incorporate all of it. You see the strength of the milk? Okay. So we're gonna confirm now that we don't have any trash. So we're gonna restrain our milk to make sure say we don't have any trash in there. And we did have a little. So we on point. Now this is a lot of coconut milk. And I have some, look at the amount of salt mackerel I have here. So this amount of milk now is gonna boil to come down to a certain amount till you start to see coconut oil and custard at the bottom. So family, you know how that goes. So we are gonna proceed to get our milk boiling, because to get this to a point where you have oil and custard, it needs a whole lot of fire, heat. So family, we're going on the outside and we're going to slap up with wood fire. Remember I told you all old school? And we're going dirt with Dutch pot and we are going to proceed to start the rundown. Yeah man, right on point.